A 3-foot-tall harpy eagle. 10 stories up, her home is the ideal lookout for a hunter. But she's stuck here because she's tied to the most precious thing in her life. Her young chick. He hatched just a couple of days ago. Her 5-inch talons, longer than a grizzly bear's claws, now need to be child-proofed. A wrong step could be fatal. Up here, they are exposed to the elements. If she left him alone, he would soon die. So, she's reliant on a partner to bring back food. But he's arrived empty-handed. The chick is still waiting for his first meal. As the tropical heat builds, Mom and Chick are struggling. Her body provides some shade, but she has another strategy. She uses her immense strength to grab a branch. Almost as thick as your wrist, it offers cooling shelter from the sun. But there's a greater threat. Rainstorms in the Amazon can last for a week, and they are one of the biggest killers of baby eagles. His feathers aren't waterproof, so he could freeze to death, or even drown. Now, the only warm, dry spot in the nest is directly beneath her. Eventually, the rain passes, but has the storm taken a terrible toll? Thanks to her, he's made it. But now, she urgently needs her partner to bring food. At last, fresh meat. The chick will rely on his parents for another 18 months.